In this video, I'll show you how you can drive free traffic to your Shopify store. Now the free options are these up here because we don't want to do any paid. So the best one and the easiest one will always be to make videos about it. So create an Instagram page, a TikTok page, a YouTube one, and you're gonna upload to YouTube Shorts. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna make videos of either your product or something cool that people wanna see that has something to do with your website. So that is the best one. Otherwise, what you can do is write articles or blogs about it. This is basically on Google and stuff. And also you should SEO optimize it. In this way, you're gonna get visitors naturally. And then what you can do is post it in online communities or forums. And the last one would be affiliate marketing. This is basically you ask someone who has an audience, it can be YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, hey, do you want to collaborate with me? And then you're gonna tell them for every person they get to your website that buys something, they will get a cut of it. So that is basically affiliate marketing. So these are the free ways that you can do it for free. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.